Hey, my name is Aman Jaiswal. I stay in JP Nagar. I work in a bank, and I have been facing the pain in my anus area, which was because of the Fistula disease, and I have consulted multiple hospitals, and then I finally came to Healing Hand, which was close to my house, and I met the doctor, and we went through the procedure and everything. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
I'm Aisha, a member of care team at Healing Hands Clinic. So,
Hello.
how are you feeling, sir, today?
I'm feeling good. So post surgery, everything is fine.
Okay. So, thank you so much. We really appreciate you taking the time to speak with us. We would like to discuss your recent surgery and recovery experience.
Okay.
Let's start with the question number one, which is how was your first consultation with Dr. Vishwanathan Venkatesan at our clinic?
So basically, I got to know about a clinic via Google. I was just looking for, like, there was a lot of pain in my back area, and I researched like any good hospitals which is related to the like issue which I have, and then I found out Healing Hand, which was like close to my house, and I came here and I met Dr. Vishwanathan Anand, and he was like quite accommodating, and he was like he has served in the army and he has a lot of experience, so it was good meeting him with the kind of knowledge he has.
Right. Okay. So, did Dr. Vishwanathan Venkatesan answer all your questions and queries?
Yeah, he was able to explain the issue which I had a fistula surgery, so he also explained how it occurs and how it is supposed to be treated, and he made me feel comfortable, not to worry, and then yeah, I was pretty much comfortable on how this.
So, all your concerns were
Yes,
addressed,
all my
right?
concerns were
All
addressed.
right, sir. So, what treatment or procedure did Vishwanathan sir suggest for you?
He first diagnosed me. He suggested to get a MRI done, and based on the reports, he suggested to go for a laser treatment, which was like not like a normal surgery, but then it was good for me.
Okay, so pre-surgical experience after when he had told you about the surgery. So, were the pre-surgery instruction clear and easy to understand?
Yeah, he was able to make me understand all the pre-surgery instructions. Also, like what are the steps I need to follow after the surgery as well, and it was uh, pretty well explained to me.
Good to know that, sir. Did you feel well prepared for the surgery?
Yeah, I was pretty much well prepared, and I am staying alone, so he also made me comfortable. Like even if I'm staying alone, it doesn't quite matter, and it's quite a normal process. And yeah,
Okay, okay, fine. Can you describe your experience on the day of surgery? What was going on in your mind?
so
And
he told me that I'll recover in a week, and
okay,
I was pretty much worried whether will I or not.
okay,
I had my office and everything, so I came to the hospital, and the staff was very accommodating, and they made me feel comfortable. I came and they uh, prepped me for the surgery, and everything went smooth. So as it is, everything was like, yeah.
okay, okay, good. So, did Vishwanathan Venkatesan and the surgical team clear all your doubts before
Yes,
the
yes.
procedure?
Yeah, he made me understand all the steps I need to follow, even after before or post
Post-surgery.
surgery as well. So yeah, everything was clear in my
Okay,
head.
sir. Good to know that. So, how was your pain changed since the surgery?
So before the surgery, the pain used to occur like quite frequent during the day, and I used to suffer like for a couple, like multiple hours. But after the surgery, there was a post-surgery pain which happens for a day or two. But then
Yeah.
after that, I'm totally comfortable. I'm riding my bike. I'm going to office, driving my car. Everything is fine.
Okay.
So I don't experience any the pain anymore.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, on a scale from 0 to 10, how would you rate your pain now?
Zero. So I don't have pain at all.
Okay. That's really nice. Were the post surgery care instruction easy to follow?
Yeah, the post surgery care instructions were easy to follow, as like I said, I was staying alone, and it was pretty easy to follow. They provided me some sprays and sit baths, which was like can be done alone as well.
Okay.
So it was quite smooth.
So, did you face any difficulties during your recovery?
uh, Not exactly. It's just like if a person has a surgery, he has to face a like
Yeah, just a little bit of discomfort. Yeah.
little bit of difficulty, but that's a part and parcel of if you're going through any surgery. But this was very smooth. Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice to hear that, sir. about your clinical experience, how would you rate the cleanliness and comfort of our clinic?
Cleanliness and comfort is really good. So my friend also came in on the day of the surgery, and he was accommodated really well, and the staff is always available, even like if I click the bell, and everybody is available for me to assist me whenever I needed anybody.
Okay, sir. So how was your experience with our staff? The next question. I know
Like
you've
said,
already answered it, but I just want to acknowledge this question again.
yeah, so everybody was like very accommodating whenever I needed anything, even after forced surgery for my mediclaim. If I needed any documents, everybody was really there to help me out. Even if I had any questions, I used to reach them out on WhatsApp, and they used to answer my answers.
Great. So did you get the help you needed when you asked for it?
Yeah, whenever I asked for it, they were readily available for.
Okay. So what did you like the most about your experience at our clinic, sir?
The friendly nature and the availability of the people. So at times, if you go to a very big hospital and the people are not accommodating and they are not readily available for you, you don't feel that comfort. But in here, since everybody is there and you feel connected, so it becomes a very normal and pleasing experience.
Correct. Is there anything we can improve?
I don't feel so, but yeah, everything is good.
Everything is good. Great. So would you recommend our clinic to others?
Yes, anybody who's facing such issues, I would recommend to visit this hospital at least once.
Okay.
And
do you have any other feedbacks or suggestions, sir?
Currently not, but yeah, everything is like I said, I like the experience, so there's no as such any point of improvement which comes to my mind.
Okay, then thank you so much for your time, and thank you for taking out your time and giving us your valuable feedback.